Hey everyone. For today's math activity, we are going to be finding objects in our house that have at least one line of symmetry. Now, let's do a quick review on what symmetry is. So direct your attention up here to the vocabulary word symmetry. Okay. Here's some pictures that are kind of showing what symmetry means. All right. The definition says the property of a shape that can be folded so that the two halves match exactly. So think about one half could be folded. If you had like a piece of paper that looked like this triangle, you could fold it exactly in half. So a line of symmetry, okay, again, here's some pictures showing what they are. A line of symmetry would be a real or imaginary line that divides a shape into two mirror images. Okay, so if you can imagine these lines right here, all right, it perfectly divides the shape, so it would be a mirror image of one another. So some objects have just one line of symmetry, some have two, some have many, okay? So first, you'll go to your activities and find this assignment where it says finding lines of symmetry. Then you'll click add response. Okay, and again, you'll find your name, but I'm going to be sample student for this example. Okay, now remember, anytime you need to, you can view the instructions to see what you have to do next. You can also click this button, play instructions, and it'll read you what the instructions were, okay? So my next instruction said, step 3, look around your home, take a picture of an object with at least one line of symmetry. So I'm going to click the photo icon, and I'll show you the image or the picture I found. I'm going to use this clipboard. Okay, so I'm going to hold this up, back up a bit, and then I'll click on one of the photo buttons. Okay. My next instruction says use the pen tool to draw the lines of symmetry. Now you can totally use the pen tool. I also found out that if you click here and click shapes, there is a line. So if you want to make sure that your line of symmetry is nice and straight like that, you can use this, and this will rotate it, okay? And you can also click and drag and make it longer or shorter. So if you want to do it that way, you can as well, okay? Or you can just click the pen tool. So click the pen tool or pencil tool, pick a color that you want, okay? And then draw your line of symmetry, okay? Now this clipboard, I see there's a line of symmetry that goes right down the middle, up and down like this, okay? And remember, lines have arrows on both sides because they go on forever in both directions. Now, what about side to side? Okay, I'm going to click back here. Let's see, can I add a line of symmetry that is side to side on this clipboard? Remember that it has to match perfectly, like a mirror image, the top and the bottom. Like if they were to fold, it would work perfectly. And I'm looking at the bottom of the clipboard and the top of the clipboard. I'm thinking, you know what? Because this metal clip here, I don't think that's going to match exactly with the bottom. So this is not a line of symmetry. I'm going to click my delete button and get rid of that. Okay. So my object just had one line of symmetry. My last step, it says click the check button to add the picture to your journal. So I'll go up here, click check. And it's going to upload it to my student journal. And that's how you turn in your assignment to the teacher. Okay. Good luck.